So thank you so much for your interest in this course. My name is Dave Reed. I live in Brooklyn, New York with my fiance and our cat. And one of my most favorite things to do is teach everything that I know about art so I can make your art better. I've been an artist for over 30 years. I've done children's books, character design. If you've seen my Instagram, then you kind of know what I'm about. So let me just address the elephant in the room. Tracing. So it's very controversial. Is it art? Is it not art? 100% yes. Tracing is and will always be an integral part of art and design. So for me, I'm an illustrator. If I make a sketch, I'm going to trace over it as one step in the complete illustration. If you bring a photo in and you want to make a minimalist portrait and you trace the lines, that's just more of a design. It's not any more or less art than any other type of art. Some people want to paint a portrait. Some people want to draw it. Some people want to draw cartoons. Some people want to sculpt. It's all art. It's all good. So don't let anyone make you think that your art is less than anyone else's. Just be true to yourself, true to the art that you want to do, have fun with it, and I'm going to show you how to make it the best it can be. I've been seeing a lot of minimalist designed portraits with flat color, but a lot of people just don't know how to handle the line works. They're not sure where to add lines, what to trace, what not to. So I'm going to go into how you make a stylized design portrait. I'll put it in extra. I'll do some colors at the end just so you can see how to color it if you want to. It's going to be fun and your portraits are going to look great. All right, let's get into it.